Alright guys, welcome to another episode of PATTAY'S Performance. Today we're actually going to be watching Mandingo. Just got done putting a serpentine belt tensioner on it. I'm going to be putting on my spikes too. First I want to get a really good clean pallet. And today we're going to be actually using my Greenworks Pro pressure washer, and I got the foam cannon attachment, so we're going to take care of that right now. Alright, so let's do a close-up. As you guys can see, this thing is just like filled with pollen throughout like the whole paint. Can you guys see this? Can you guys see that paint I just drew? I mean, it's bad. So, let's see, can you guys see? Yeah, you guys can see the PI I just drew. That's all over. So, yeah, we are going to, look at all this. So we're just going to go along and do the pressure wash. So initially I'm going to go with my 40 amp, my 40 tip, right? And that's the advertised for cleaning the car. And then I'm going to switch to the foam cannon to apply soap. Alright, so we're going to be using Meguiar's Gold, because this is what I have. I'm almost positive that using the soap, you're supposed to use like a special soap, I think. So we'll see how this works out. Okay. This just snips right into here. Just like your other tips. And yeah, I'm going to put you guys on time lapse and we'll see how this goes. Alright man, so check this out. This whole truck we used less than, I guess, I don't know how many. You know, we were up to the top. This line here, we're halfway through with this whole truck, so we're all about consuming and not doing waste. I guess this helps with waste too. I mean, I know when I do, you know, my vehicles, I just kind of pour it in, get suddy, that's it. And the cool thing about this too is that when you go from car to car, you don't need to switch out the buckets because the soap is already being mixed. Alright, so let's hit this thing with the regular one. Man, so here we are. I gotta draw this thing, so we're gonna make this real quick. I am super impressed. And I hope you guys are too. My first time ever using a soap gun. So, yeah, it came out pretty good. So I think, oh, I just missed the spot. Alright, I gotta go before this dries. Shoot. So yeah, I'm gonna clean up that spot, and then we're gonna start drawing and applying our wax. Alright, so I know some of you guys know about detailing. I did a big, huge no-no, and that was using towels to dry my truck. I should be using something that applies forced air, like a blower, a microfiber towel. I don't know what happened to my drying microfiber towel. It's not worth getting into an argument with my lovely wife over it. So I just used a bath towel. I'll be ordering one. I'm going to let this dry for a couple minutes, and then I'm going to apply my quick wax. And then I'll be using a microfiber towel. And that I won't bore you with.